In my last video, we covered the massive new AI cameras and driving law changes rolling out in 2026. But there is a second, much more common trap that UK drivers are falling into right now. You do not need a new law to get hit with a heavy fine. You just need to make an everyday mistake that the police and their automated cameras are now enforcing with zero tolerance. From flashing your headlights at the wrong moment to parking your car facing the wrong direction at night. These are completely normal driving habits that are actually illegal in the UK. Most drivers have no idea. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. Here is one that catches millions of drivers out, and it is the exact reason people end up with bailiffs at their door. When you move house, you probably remember to update the address on your driving license. But did you update the V5C vehicle logbook? They are two completely separate databases at the DVLA. Over 40 million vehicles are registered with the DVLA, and a significant proportion have an outdated address on the file right now. Under the vehicle's registration and licensing regulations, failing to update your V5C carries a fine of up to £1,000. Worse, if you drive through a clean air zone or pick up a speeding ticket, the fine goes to your old address. By the time you find out about it, that £30 ticket has escalated into a county court judgment. Update both. It takes 5 minutes on gov.uk. This one catches people out every winter. It's worth knowing year round. If snow or ice slides off your roof while you're driving and hits another vehicle or pedestrian, you can be charged with using a vehicle in a dangerous condition or driving without due care and attention under the Road Traffic Act 1988. That carries up to 9 penalty points and a fine of up to £5,000. And here is the part most people do not know. You do not have to be involved in an accident. If police see you driving around with snow on your roof and judge it as a hazard, that is enough. Clear the entire car before you set off, not just the windscreen. Flashing your headlights at a speed camera is illegal. You see a mobile speed van and you flash to warn drivers coming the other way. It feels like a friendly thing to do, but under Section 89 of the Police Act 1996, this could be treated as willfully obstructing a constable in the execution of their duty. Courts have found it is only an offence if the prosecution can prove those being warned were speeding or likely to be. But the maximum fine, if it does go that way, £1,000. And Highway Code Rule 110 is also clear. You must only flash your headlights to let others know you are there, not to send any other message. It is not worth the risk. Parking facing the wrong way is illegal at night. Highway Code Rule 248 is clear. You must not park on a road at night facing against the direction of traffic flow unless you are in a recognized parking space. The reason is simple. Cars have red reflectors on the back. If you park facing oncoming traffic, approaching drivers cannot see those reflectors in the dark, and your car becomes a hazard. Under the roads vehicles lighting regulations, this is an offence carrying a fine of up to £1,000. Almost nobody knows this rule exists. City number plates are getting people fined in 2026. Remember the AI enforcement cameras we covered last week? ANPR cameras now read tens of millions of number plates every single day across the UK for ULEZ, clean air zones, road tax and speeding enforcement. Because of that, police are actively going after obscure plates. Under the Vehicle Excise and Registration Act, a plate covered by mud, dirt or snow is an offence, carrying a fine of up to £1,000. Your car will also fail its MOT. One muddy drive to the shops, one £1,000 fine. Driving through a puddle and splashing someone is illegal. It is not just rude. Under the Section 3 of the Road Traffic Act 88, it falls squarely under driving without reasonable consideration for other persons. In the past, you would only get caught if a police officer was standing right there. Now pedestrians and cyclists are submitting smartphone and helmet camera footage directly to the police dashcam portals. Fixed penalty is £100 and 3 points. Take it to court and the maximum fine is unlimited. That puddle is not worth it. Supervising a learner driver on your phone gets you 6 penalty points. If you are the passenger supervising a learner, you are legally in control of that vehicle. The same rules apply to you as to the person holding the wheel. If you are texting, scrolling, or on your phone, you face the exact same penalty as if you were driving. 6 penalty points and a £200 fixed penalty. If it goes to court, up to £1,000. The new AI cabin cameras being trialled right now are designed to look at both seats. The next one is the one dog owners get wrong every single day. Highway Code Rule 57 requires that dogs and other animals are suitably restrained so they cannot distract you or injure you. If you brake suddenly and your dog is thrown forward, or police see your dog climbing over your lap while you drive, you can be charged with careless driving. That carries a maximum fine of £5,000 and up to 9 penalty points. On top of that, if you crash with an unrestrained pet, many insurance policies include a clause that can affect your payout. Check your policy before you put the dog in the back seat without a harness. Here is one almost everybody gets wrong. Fog lights are not for rain or murky evenings or when it feels a bit gloomy. Under the Road Vehicles Lighting Regulations 1989, you may only use your rear fog lights when visibility drops below 100 meters. That is roughly the length of a football pitch. Driving with them on in normal conditions is an offence, and it dazzles the driver behind you. Front fog lights carry the same restrictions. Police can pull you over and issue a fixed penalty for misuse. And if you are in an accident and your fog lights were on unnecessarily, insurers can use it against you. And finally, your horn. Most drivers think it is just rude to overuse it. It is actually illegal in several specific situations most people do not know about. Under the Road Vehicles Construction and Use Regulations, you can only sound your horn to warn other road users of your presence. That means you cannot use it in anger, you cannot use it while stationary, and you cannot use it in built-up areas between 11:30 p.m. and 7 a.m. unless there is genuine danger. Sound it at a car that cuts you up, lean on it in a traffic jam, or blast it outside someone's house at midnight. That's a fine of up to £1,000. The pattern across all 10 of these is the same. They are not obscure technicalities. They are everyday things millions of drivers do without realizing they are breaking the law. And in 2026, with AI cameras, ANPR, and Dashcam portals all working in the background, the chances of getting away with it are shrinking. Know the rules, not just the obvious ones. Links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. This is general information, not legal advice.